Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello.
Okay. So let's start. Okay, look at the photos. Choose one meal that looks tasty. Okay, what is your answer? Look at the picture, okay? Look tasty. What
Let's
do you think?
see.
Yes.
Um, I think number three.
So your answer must be number three, right? Okay. So next, how about healthy food?
Number six.
Number six. Okay, how about quick to make? Quick to make.
Number four.
Number four. Okay, there is a sandwich, right? How about filling?
Number one.
Number one. Okay, thank you so much for the answer. So now let's start with vocabulary, okay? You can write it or copy the vocabulary and then it's up to you already. All you have to do is to get paper and ball pen so that you have a copy also. First vocabulary is, okay, what is that?
Crisps.
Lesson?
Crisps.
Crisps.
Okay, crabs. Crabs.
Crisps.
Okay, very good. Next.
Red pepper. Red pepper.
Red pepper.
Okay, red pepper. Red pepper.
Red,
Okay, red pepper. Okay,
red
next.
Lamb.
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 Okay, again, go.
Lamb.
Please read it again.
Lamb.
Okay, here, start this. What is that? Please read that. Again, how to read that? Curious. Again, go. Read again. Read again, please.
Crisps.
Okay, next.
Red pepper.
Okay, next.
Lamb.
Crisps.
Okay, very good. Lamp. Okay, next, go.
Lettuce. Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Again, lettuce.
Lettuce.
Okay,
Olive.
next.
Olive.
Olive.
Olive. Again, one more. Olive.
Olive.
Okay, next.
Prawn. Prawn. Prawn.
What is that?
Prawn.
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 Okay, very good. So we have here another. What is this?
Toast. Toast.
Toast.
Toast.
Toast.
Green pepper. Green pepper.
Okay, what is that? Green paper.
Green paper.
Okay, next.
Cereal.
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 Okay.
Cereal.
So here,
Cereal.
listen and repeat the words in the last. Okay, before that, please louder your voice because your voice is not good enough to hear to someone, right? I cannot hear you clearly if your voice is not very loud. Okay? So listen and repeat the words in the last. Then match them with the photos. Okay? Listen carefully. Please follow instruction. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
Unit 4, Lesson 4A, Exercise 2. Apples, beef, bread, carrots, cheese, chicken, crisps, cucumber, fish, green or red peppers, lamb, lemon, lettuce, melon, mushrooms, olives, onion, pasta, peas, pineapple, potato, prawns, rice, sandwiches, sausages, strawberries, tomatoes.
Okay. Go, read here, food. Go, please read that.
Apple.
Apples,
Beef.
go.
Apples. Beef. Fish. Carrot. Cheese. Chicken. Fish. Cucumber. Fish. Green or red pepper. Lamb. Lemon. Lettuce.
Lettuce,
Lettuce. Melon. Mushroom. Olive. Onion. Pasta. Peas. Being able.
pineapple,
Pineapple. Potato. Brush. Rice. Sandwich. Sausage.
sausages,
Sausage strings. Strawberry. Tomato.
yes, tomatoes. Okay, here. So that is sausages, mashed potatoes, peas, onion. Okay, how about number 2? What is that?
Number
Number 1,
2.
that is our example. How about number 2? What do you think? What is that?
Olive.
Yes, olive. What else?
Cheese.
Cheese.
Fish.
Yes, very good. How about number 3?
Brush. Brown.
Shrimp. Okay,
Pasta.
prawns and pasta. Okay, how about number 4?
Sandwich.
Okay, sandwich. What
And
else?
crisps.
Okay, let's check. Okay, crabs, tomatoes, and sandwiches, right? Okay, next, number 5.
Fish. uh, mushroom, mm, I think
Again, so we have fish and mushrooms. How about number 6?
strawberry, um, peas, pineapple, apple.
Okay, very good. So we have melon, strawberries, and pineapple. Okay, learn the countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, countable nouns are things that you cannot count. They have a singular and a plural form. An egg, two eggs. Okay, so please read the uncountable nouns. Go, what is the meaning of uncountable nouns?
Countable now are things that you can count. They have a singular and or plural form. Example, an edge, to edge, and countable now are things that you can count. You or you can only weigh or must measure.
Okay, and can measure. Uncountable nouns are things that you can count. You can only weigh or measure. They only have a singular form and take a singular verb. Okay, some nouns can be countable or uncountable depending on how we're using them. Okay, countable, we need 4 large letters. So as we can see, we can count the letters, right? 4 large letters. Uncountable, do you want more letters? When we say, do you want more letters? So that is, we cannot count already if there is already many, right? Countable, can I have a coffee, please? Cup of coffee. Okay? Cup of coffee. Uncountable, I don't drink coffee. So now, here, add the words in the task 2 to the table. Go. Countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Okay, go. What is that? Apples.
Apple, countable noun,
Okay, go. Just continue. Beef.
uncountable noun,
Bread.
um, mm, countable noun,
Okay, carrots.
mm,
Cheese. Okay.
mm,
Make it fast. Cheese. What is your answer? Cheese. I cannot hear your answer. Countable nouns or uncountable nouns? Hello?
yes,
I always say this, but you cannot answer my question. Cheese. What is your answer? Countable nouns or uncountable nouns? Hello? Go, please answer. What is your answer? Cheese.
countable noun,
Chicken.
Table.
Crepes. Crepes. What is your answer? Cucumber.
Um, comfortable now.
Fish.
Comfortable now.
Green or red peppers.
Comfortable now.
Lamb.
Uncomfortable now.
Lemon.
Comfortable now.
Lettuce.
Comfortable now.
Melon.
Comfortable now.
Mushrooms.
Um, uncomfortable now.
Olives.
Comfortable now.
Onion.
Comfortable now.
Pasta.
Uncomfortable.
Peas.
Comfortable.
Pineapple.
Comfortable.
Potato.
Comfortable.
Prawn.
Uncomfortable.
Rice.
Uncomfortable.
Sandwiches.
Comfortable.
Sausages.
Comfortable.
Strawberries. Strawberries.
Comfortable.
Tomatoes.
Comfortable.
Okay, thank you. So let's check if you are correct. Okay, so these are the countable nouns and these are the uncountable nouns. So just remember the uncountable is we have beef, bread, cheese, chicken, fish, lump, lettuce, pasta, and rice. So that are the uncountable nouns. So here, look at the breakfast menu below. Okay, can you see the menu, right? Can you see the menu? Which 5 nouns in the menu are countable? 5 nouns in the menu are countable. What is your answer? 5 only. 5 nouns in the menu.
So,
Go, give me 5.
pancake.
Pancake. What else?
Uh,
What else?
fish.
Mm-hmm.
Egg.
Orange. Eggs. What else?
Or bananas.
Bananas. What else?
Cake.
5. Okay, so how do you know that are countable noun?
Tea.
Okay, very good. Eggs, pancake, cakes, bananas, oranges. Okay. So how do you know? Because they are plural. Okay? How do you know that is countable because they are plural. Okay, let's have recycle articles. Go. Indefinite article. Please read.
Indefinite article. We use an with singular participle noun. We use some with plural noun. Definite article. We use the with singular and plural noun. We often use the indefinite article when we mention something for the first time, and the definite article when we mention it again. Example, we have got some olive and a melon. The melon is the table. The olive are
Reach.
in a fish.
Okay, very good. The olives are on the fridge. Okay, so we will continue next meeting because it is already time. Okay, so I will not give you the homework. Or I will send it so that you can answer. Just try only to answer, okay? Even if we are not finishing the lesson, but please try, okay? Thank you so much and see you next time. I will send you the homework, okay? Okay, goodbye. Thank you.